Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see send request on Instagram. If you want to see send request on Instagram, first of all, you have to open your Instagram application, and after that, just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and now you can see these three bars in the upper right corner. Go for this, and now from here you can see this your activity option. Second one, go for it, and from here you can see here there are a lot of options. So if you want to see your request, you just have to simply scroll down all the way bottom and tap on this download your information, and now you can see this option request a download. Just tap on it. Now you have to select your account in which you want to see send request and tap on next. Now as you can see, complete copy, select type of information. So from here go for this select type of information. So you can see here comment, contacts, message, guides, media settings, and all these informations. So you can see this option followers and following. You can select this one, or you can select likes, events, whatever you want, and then tap on this next. And now finally you just have to tap on this submit request. So once you have submitted your request, you can see your email address that you have given on your account, and there you can easily download your information and you can easily see the send request. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.